Hi guys, what we're going to be cooking today is a fantastic carrot and fennel risotto with bay scallops and smoked salmon. Absolute beautiful dish, easy to do, and I'm going to show you how you do it. So we're going to be using some carrots, garlic clove, some beautiful fennel, some bay scallops, beautiful, some Atlantic smoked salmon, some cilantro, Fresno chili, half a small onion, parsley to garnish, sour cream, Parmesan cheese, some really good extra virgin olive oil, actually from Italy, beautiful, arborio rice, vegetable stock. So there you go guys, beautiful clean flavors. So let's get started.